Traders, today is 23rd of October 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market WTI NEWCOMER. So this is December 2019 contract. So at this moment we are entering for US session. We are on the position for short sell. So based from my live signal broadcast, we have filled our order for short sell at 53.78. So the first one also I send out the same signal, only I have revised the TP and stop loss, which is a much more nearer, but still we hope this will be a good trade. So we did enter at 78, so this is my average price. So we are in the market for a while at this moment. Time now is 9:10 a.m. New York time. This is live trading. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a large volume waiting at 53.50, common 53.60. So from both price level, we can see there's a good queue here, which is around our target, but our target is around 46 if I'm not mistaken. So let's go back to the live signal. So the TP target is 36, 53.36. That's the target, but it's quite far, but you can TP. Just now also we have moved around 20 ticks if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, 13 ticks at the opening of US session. So now we need to be careful. You can see there's a large volume trading at this moment. I haven't put my TP area, which is somewhere here at 53.43. Sorry, 53.36. So the profit now is about 70 US dollar. So this is where we enter the market, and this is a clear stop loss, and I'm expecting for the market to go for the bearish movement. So let me change it to a bar chart to see it much more clearer. So you can see there's a drop during US session, then there's a reversal at this moment. Hopefully the market will not fully reverse to the upper side. For me, based on the hidden volume technique, there's a signal at 78 somewhere here. So this is my average price because I did enter 2 lot position size. So it looks good. So let's hope on the smaller time frame we can see much more clearly that the market will go for which direction. So the nearest low will be at 53.60. Sorry, 53.70. Sorry, 53.60. Sorry, 62 is the lowest. So let's hope the price will not go back and make a small sideways movement, then further down. That's what we want the market to do. And this moment the market looks bearish, and we are on the move of the same setup every day. So by the way, there's a link below in the description for this live broadcast. You may click on it and try it out for this free trial. Of course, it's not 100% trading strategy or setup, but it's quite a good in winning rate per month. So let's wait. Still we have a large volume at 53.50, 53.60 as well. On the higher side, large volume at 53.81, you can see here, and also 53.93, which is not good for us because we are on the short sell. So we prefer there's a high volume on the lower price level. So by the way, this one is 60-minute charts. The top step is third of it is 5-minute chart. So need to be careful if the price reverse back. Quite strong pullback, as you can see. The market reverse. So we have to be careful if market reverse to this stop loss. Have to exit. So there's no choice. Looks reversal. Okay, no good. I think this trade might loss, because we are back to the 54.00 level. So minus 270 at this moment. So the PNL is negative. There will be data release tonight. Okay, we hit the stop loss. Very unlucky. So the price reverse back. So since there's I think today will be the data release, so market might go further up. Okay guys, I think that's all. I need to send out the signal first, because unfortunately it hit our SL. I think if you want to re-enter also, it's quite risky. So let's wait for a while until the data release. I think today.